Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about top 100 general knowledge questions related to current affairs 2020. If you are preparing for any competitive exams, it will be very helpful for you. So watch the complete video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. Question number 1. Which state assembly becomes the first in India to pass a resolution demanding to scrap of the Citizenship Amendment Act? Answer A. Kerala. Question number 2. Under Swachh Survekshan League 2020, in 1 lakh to 10 lakh population category, which city is adjudged as India's cleanest city? Answer D. Jamshedpur. Question number 3. The Lai Harob festival is observed by which state? Answer C. Tripura. Question number 4. Which one became the first country to ban sunscreen that is harmful to corals? Answer B. Palau. Question number 5. Which city hosted the Indian Science Congress in 2020? Answer C. Bengaluru. Question number 6. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2020? Answer C. 48. Question number 7. Which player received the Polly Umrigar Award for the Best International Cricketer 2018 and 19? Answer B. Jasprit Bumrah. Question number 8. Which port is renamed as Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Port? Answer A. Kolkata Port. Question number 9. Who became the fastest Indian spinner to claim 100 wickets in one-day internationals? Answer C. Kuldeep Yadav. Question number 10. The skill development scheme Mission Karma Yogi is for? Answer B. Civil servants. Question number 11. Which country is largely affected by coronavirus? Answer C. USA. Question number 12. Which company has acquired the Indian operations of Uber Eats? Answer A. Zomato. Question number 13. Which state passes a bill in its assembly to propose 3 capitals for the state? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 14. Arvind Krishna elected as the Chief Executive Officer of? Answer B. IBM. Question number 15. Which state reports first confirmed coronavirus case in India? Answer D. Kerala. Question number 16. Who became the first ever hockey player worldwide to win the prestigious World Games Athlete of the Year award? Answer C. Rani Rampal. Question number 17. Which country's president was the chief guest at the Republic Day parade this year 2020? Answer C. Brazil. Question number 18. Who won the Australian Open Women's Single title in 2020? Answer D. Sophia Kenin. Question number 19. Who won the Australian Open Men's Single title in 2020? Answer A. Novak Djokovic. Question number 20. Who wins the Best Actor award at the 92nd Oscar Academy Award ceremony? Answer A. Joaquin Phoenix. Question number 21. Which state topped the chart among all Indian states and union territories in the Business Reform Action Plan 2019 rankings? Answer D. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 22. Which film wins the Best Movie Award in the 92nd Oscar Academy Award ceremony? Answer A. Parasite. Question number 23. Which team wins the ICC Under-19 World Cup in 2020? Answer C. Bangladesh. Question number 24. What is the official name given by World Health Organization for the coronavirus? Answer A. COVID-19. Question number 25. India's biggest cardiac hospital is inaugurated in. Answer C. Ahmedabad. Question number 26. World Hunger Day is observed on. Answer D. 28th May. Question number 27. Which state government had provided industrial status to sports? Answer C. Mizoram. Question number 28. Who is conferred with the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2019? Answer A. David Attenborough. Question number 29. Which one becomes the first Indian company to cross $200 billion in market valuation? Answer B. Reliance Industries. Question number 30. What is India's rank in the Global Energy Transition Index published by World Economic Forum for 2020? Answer C. 74th. Question number 31. Which one is the worst affected state in India regarding coronavirus cases? Answer A. Maharashtra. Question number 32. Which country is planning to adopt new currency, Toman? Answer B. Iran. Question number 33. Which one becomes the first government hospital to launch plasma therapy for COVID-19? Answer C. King George Medical University. Question number 34. Which company buys 9.99% stake in Reliance Jio platform? Answer A. Facebook. Question number 35. Goa celebrates its statehood day on. Answer D. 30th May. Question number 36. Which one app has become the world's fastest app to reach 50 million downloads in just 13 days? Answer C. Arogya Setu. Question number 37. RAT test in COVID stands for. Answer B. Rapid Antigen Test. Question number 38. Which one rocket is used for the launch of commercial flight to space named Crew Dragon? Answer B. Falcon 9. Question number 39. Which one is the first state in India to launch the online waste exchange program? Answer D. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 40. As per Global Economic Freedom Index 2020 report, what is India's rank? Answer D. 105. Question number 41. Who became the first Indian to receive the Richard Dawkins Award? Answer D. Javed Akhtar. Question number 42. World Oceans Day is celebrated on. Answer B. 8th June. Question number 43. International Day of Democracy is observed on. Answer C. 15th September. Question number 44. Which country will host the 2022 Women's Asian Cup? Answer A. India. Question number 45. With which country India held first ever virtual bilateral summit between the Prime Minister of the two countries? Answer C. Australia. Question number 46. World Milk Day is celebrated on. Answer A. 1st June. Question number 47. Which player is nominated by BCCI for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Awards for 2020? Answer A. Rohit Sharma. Question number 48. Yoshihide Suga elected as the Prime Minister of. Answer C. Japan. Question number 49. Which Indian city built the largest COVID-19 facility in the world till now? Answer A. Delhi. Question number 50. What is India's rank on the IMD World Competitiveness ranking for the year 2020? Answer C. 43rd. Question number 51. Which country observed 75th Victory Day to mark the victory in World War II? Answer C. Russia. Question number 52. What is India's rank in the World Bank's annual Human Capital Index list? Answer D. 116. Question number 53. What is the name of the vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech International Limited and Indian Council for Medical Research? Answer A. Covaxin. Question number 54. India's first plasma bank is inaugurated in which city? Answer A. Delhi. Question number 55. Who is appointed as India's permanent representative to United Nations? Answer B. Indra Mani Pandey. Question number 56. Which country's president makes constitutional changes to make himself in power till 2036? Answer C. Russia. Question number 57. India's first solar energy powered miniature train was inaugurated in? Answer D. Kerala. Question number 58. Which one is the first state in India with LPG connections in all the households? Answer D. Himachal Pradesh. Question number 59. Who is declared as the winner of the All India Football Federation Footballer of the Year Awards for the 2019-20 season in men's category? Answer D. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. Question number 60. Prime Minister inaugurates Asia's largest solar power plant in? Answer C. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 61. Who is declared as the winner of the All India Football Federation Footballer of the Year Awards for the 2019-20 season in women's category? Answer A. Sanju Yadav. Question number 62. Which company has started production of Oxford COVID-19 vaccine in India? Answer C. Serum Institute. Question number 63. Which one becomes first state in country to undertake over 1 crore tests to screen coronavirus? Answer D. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 64. Which one company becomes the world's most valuable company in the month of August 2020? Answer A. Apple. Question number 65. Global Tiger Day is celebrated on? Answer B. 29th July. Question number 66. World's longest highway tunnel, Atal Tunnel, is located in? Answer D. Himachal Pradesh. Question number 67. Which one becomes first country in Arab world to produce nuclear energy? Answer A. UAE. Question number 68. The Nobel Peace Prize for 2020 has been awarded to? Answer B. World Food Programme. Question number 69. First state in India with 3 capital cities is? Answer D. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 70. World Sanskrit Day is celebrated on? Answer B. 3rd August. Question number 71. What is the name of the anti-radiation missile developed by DRDO? Answer C. Rudram. Question number 72. Which country hosted this year's Indian Premier League? Answer B. UAE. Question number 73. World Mental Health Day is observed on? Answer D. 10th October. Question number 74. Who had surpassed MS Dhoni's feat of smashing more sixes as captain in international cricket? Answer B. Ian Morgan. Question number 75. Which state government has decided to develop India's first snow leopard conservation center of India? Answer B. Uttarakhand. Question number 76. Who is appointed as India's next Comptroller Auditor General? Answer B. G.C. Murmu. Question number 77. National Handloom Day is observed on. Answer D. 7th August. Question number 78. Which country will host the 2020 World Cup in 2022? Answer D. Australia. Question number 79. Which one becomes the first country in the world to register a COVID-19 vaccine? Answer C. Russia. Question number 80. What is the name of the first registered COVID-19 vaccine? Answer D. Sputnik V. Question number 81. Who became the first black woman and the first Asian American woman to be selected as the vice presidential nominee? Answer C. Kamala Harris. Question number 82. After 25 years, the first peace treaty took place between Israel and. Answer A. UAE. Question number 83. India's first submarine cable line link Port Blair to. Answer C. Chennai. Question number 84. According to the Jal Shakti Ministry, which one became the first state in India to provide 100% tap water connections in the rural areas? Answer A. Goa. Question number 85. In which state the Indian Railways is constructing world's tallest pier bridge? Answer B. Manipur. Question number 86. Which team wins the finale of IPL 2020 tournament? Answer A. Mumbai Indians. Question number 87. As per Digital Quality of Life Index 2020, what is India's overall rank among the countries? Answer B. 57. Question number 88. Which city is considered as the cleanest city in India under the Swachh Survekshan for 2020? Answer D. Indore. Question number 89. Which state is considered as the cleanest city in India under the Swachh Survekshan for 2020? Answer D. Chhattisgarh. Question number 90. How many sports persons have been selected for the Arjuna Award this year? Answer C. 27. Question number 91. Which one state became the first state in the country that have made the public education completely digital? Answer A. Kerala. Question number 92. Which team wins the Europe League trophy in 2020? Answer A. Sevilla. Question number 93. Which state government has announced to set up world's biggest zinc smelter project? Answer C. Gujarat. Question number 94. In which city the longest river ropeway of India is inaugurated? Answer A. Guwahati. Question number 95. Who became the first batsman to score hundreds in consecutive matches in Indian Premier League? Answer D. Shikhar Dhawan. Question number 96. Who became the first pacer in the history of Test cricket to take 600 wickets? Answer C. James Anderson. Question number 97. In 2020, which continent is declared as polio-free by World Health Organization? Answer A. Africa. Question number 98. Who became the first bowler to take 500 T20 wickets? Answer A. Dwayne Bravo. Question number 99. As per new rule, the maximum expenditure a candidate can incur for campaigning in Lok Sabha polls is now? Answer C. 77 lakhs. Question number 100. Which state government will start first sea plane services of India? Answer B. Gujarat. If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.